Okay, let's park it in. Okay, there we go. Ah, day 2. Got my fresh new clothes on. You know, as soon as I bought this place, I've just figured maybe I could go on style. Got a fresh new haircut. It's going. Oh, okay. This looks a little different. You know, that's okay. Head on inside. Ah, gotta remember about that fall there. You know. Well, they did say that I had the night watch. The night watch this time. So, I guess that we can head to the night guard's office. Just settle there for a minute. Ah, dang, Poppy, you're looking nice today. I know that you can't really speak back, but you're looking very nice. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah, you're deactivated. Oh, let's get to the night guard. Ah, okay. So this is the night guard's office. Let's see what's in here. Ah, it's a little dusty in here, but you know, it's okay. Let's just look on the cameras. Ah. See what's happening. Oh, everything's good there. Everything's good here. Good here. Wait a minute, there's a little animatronic sitting in the background. Huh. Oh well. No, there's an animatronic right there too, I guess. What's that one's name again? I thought they said it was Ennard. Oh well. Next one. This is the little corner of where I prepare Nightmare Chica. Where is Nightmare Chica? Let's look for her. Vent camera. No one in there. Ah, there's Nightmare Chica. Well, let's get off the cameras. Okay, got done checking the cameras. There's a chest right here. Oh, it's midnight. Let the night begin. There's a flashlight in here. Ah, I don't think I need that right now. Let's just hope that everything goes good. Okay, night's going well. Nothing real seems to be coming. Anything out the window? No. Let's check the cameras. Nothing there. He's still there. I thought that I heard someone move. Oh no, Poppy's gone. Poppy's gone. Oh, I can't even say Poppy right. Poppy is gone. Okay. Let's look for Poppy. Not in there. Not in there. Not in there. Not right there. Come on, where could he be? Oh wait, there's a dining area. Let's go check there. There he is. Oh no, come on! He's not there. Wait. Let's go check out back on the stage. Oh crap, he left his microphone. Wolfgang's doing okay. Okay. Poppy's by the puppet box, which means that he's right by my door. Okay, Poppy's gone. Where did he go? This is such a worry. Don't know where Poppy is. Okay. Let's check outside my door. Oh, it's 5 a.m. Come on. Let's head outside. Come on, 5 a.m. Whoa, what the heck? Poppy. Is this where I die? Come on, 6 a.m. Ding, dong, ding, dong. Ding, 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 dong. Yay! Oh, thank heavens. I gotta get out of here. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Close that. Lock it. Okay. Let's go. Thanks so much for watching of me almost getting eaten by Poppy. But if you want to see more videos, click the subscribe button. And also click that bell icon to never miss a video. Leave a like. And if we can get 2 likes, I'll do a part 3. Man, this is going to be an exciting adventure for me. Well, if, well, see you guys later. Make sure you, of course, subscribe, all that stuff. If I get more subscribers, then I can start getting donations. Maybe doing some more YouTube videos. If you guys love my YouTube videos, then yeah, please be sure to do so. Also, leave a comment of, which character you like the best out of the whole series. I'll name them off right now. Me, the Night Guard owner. Wolfgang, the guitarist. Ennard, the mixer. Poppy, the main singer. Nightmare Chica, backup singer. Fredbear. I don't know. Spring Bonnie, helper. The Minarinas. Cyborg. Golden Freddy. Murderer, aka William Afton.
Alright, I'll take care.